Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be seeing how to install BMC Helix Intelligent Integration Gateway using Docker container. Please refer to the official documentation for the system requirements. We'll go through the system requirement in order to deploy intelligent integration on-prem gateway. So in this video, I will be deploying 23.4 II on-prem gateway, which is intelligent integration on-prem gateway. So following are the system requirement. So minimum memory 32 GB, 8 virtual CPUs, and GSpace requirement it is here, and the operating system requirement. So in this video, I will be using the Docker container to deploy the intelligent integration on-prem gateway. So I will be following the documented step in order to deploy II on-prem gateway using Docker container. So here are the detailed steps. Download or get the Docker images for II, and then the installer utility, then disable AC Linux on the server, reboot the server, disable firewall, set the hostname, load the Docker images which user would download in step number 2, then provide the 77 permission using chmod for /logs under the HII directory. Then create the destination JSON file with this payload. User would need to replace the change me with the appropriate value for the tenant, and then bring the II deployment up by using the docker compose up -t, and then access the II on-prem gateway. This SSL step, it is optional if user would like to run the II on-prem gateway UI over the HTTPS, so user can follow these steps. So we'll start with the demo. As a prerequisite, the system should have Docker and Docker Compose installed. As this is CentOS, I'm going with the Docker Community Edition, and on that, using that, we will install the II on-prem gateway. So let me install the Docker. So Docker Community Edition installed successfully. So with the latest version of Docker, the Docker Compose will also get installed. So this is the location where I have downloaded the II on-prem Docker images and the installer. So I have already disabled the AC Linux and the firewall. Let's now export the hostname as per the documentation. Let's source the hostname. Then let me load the Docker images. It will take a couple of minutes to load all the II on-prem gateways images to the system. So all the images are loaded successfully to the system. We'll unzip the installer. Let's go to the HII and let's give the 77 permission to logs directory. Now let's bring the II application up. So it will take a couple of minutes to bring all the containers up. So we can see all the containers are up successfully. So let's try to access the II gateway UI. So I'm able to access it. By default, there will be no destination. Using the destination configuration file, user has to create the destination. So here I have already configured the destination JSON file with appropriate details. Let me import it. Destination import is completed. So now we are ready to configure the sources. So this concludes our II on-prem intelligent integration gateway deployment. Thank you.